Okay, so this was section 4.5. Question 7, I'm going to do 7A, and then we'll do 7B separately because it's a big setup. So if you go over here, basically what it says is this, okay, and these are sort of the rules. It's for checkers. First thing to know, if you got the wrong answer, they messed up on the picture. It's actually 7 by 8, so in other words, they don't actually make a proper checkerboard. So I made a proper checkerboard to tell you that they didn't make a proper checkerboard. So that's one reason why the answer could be wrong. But maybe it's not wrong for that reason, I don't know. For whatever reason, this one seems to be done weird. Okay, this is the checker. We can only move in this direction. We want to get here to get king. We can end up here, or here, or here, or here to get king. So we have to look at the number of ways in which we can get there. Well, if we do it in small steps, which is what Pascal's method is based on, you take one small step, there's only one way in which you can get to this particular point. There's only one way in which you can get to this particular point. You can't start here or here or here. The checker has to move this way. Now, if there's one way to get to this point, the only way that I can get to this next stage is from here. I can't get it any other way because you can only move diagonal. So that's 1. Now, same thing for this direction. Over to here, 1. Okay, because again, you start from here, you go to here. There's only one way to get to here, so there's only one way to get to here. Or 1, 2. Okay, now, to get to this middle space, though, you can go like that and like that. That's 2 ways. Or 1 from this way, 1 from this way, 2. And that's Pascal's method. Okay? 1 and 2. We can get this place once. We can get this place twice, 2 different ways. So a total of 3 ways. And again, it's a process that just lets you count sequentially, slowly, as you go from one place to the next, rather than complicating from one whole big long trip. Now, there's only one way for me to get here. It's from here. There's 3 ways for me to get to here, so there's 3 ways for me to get to here. Okay, now, things get a little bit more complicated with these x's. These are things we can jump over, okay? So how many ways to get to this spot? Well, 2 from this spot, 1 from this spot, so 3 in total. Now, how many ways for me to get to here? Well, 3 from this spot. We can't get to it from this way, so 3. And then for this next spot, let's say here, again, we can only get to it from here. 3, 3. Pretty boring for those situations. But for here, we could go 3 this way, but we can jump over the x and get 3 this way. So 3 this way, 3 this way is 6. 3 and 3 is 6. After that, there's no more jumping, so it's nothing too crazy. 9, 12, 6, and the number of ways in which you can do it, and this is key, you have to show this. It could be, I could get king here, or here, or here, or here, equals a total of 18, 27, 30 different ways to get king. Okay, closing statement, therefore 30 ways to get king. Okay, 3B's coming next, or 7B's coming next.